Ready to see what we got? Watch it be locked. A box! Fight! What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Outline Garage. Today, we've got a new package in from 3D. They are the Max Spider floor mats. So I ordered the front two for the truck, and I got the back. So I didn't see very many videos on these, but they're like a form-fitted floor mat, kind of like the WeatherTech or the Husky liners. The one thing I like about these, specifically for the Titan, so a lot of Titans have the under cap storage or the under back seat storage area, which is this. So see this line kind of right here? Most of the floor mats like WeatherTech and the Husky liners stop here and they don't go completely underneath the rear seat. So I ended up finding this that did the entire thing, because 9 times out of 10 I'll have my back seats up in the truck because I keep stuff in there all the time, like tools and whatnot. And then I'll only put them down when I have like passengers, like if we go to the junkyard or something like that. So I wanted something that would protect the entire back seat of the truck. I mean, it's got the little lip here, which is okay. I mean, it kind of squishes down, but I wanted the entire thing protected. So I got that, and I've got the front two mats, which are also form-fitted. This is the passenger side. This is the driver's side. They have the little things for the hooks so they won't slide, and then they have like this little, I guess, thicker area for where your pedals or your feet rest for the pedals. Goes all the way up on the dead pedal, and it's got like this little like ridge around it, so if you spill like water or something like that, it will kind of go out the side of the truck rather than underneath. So this stuff's actually pretty cool. It's like it's a 3-layer composite. So it's kind of got like a waterproof water thing. There's like a foam in the center, and it's got this almost like fiberglassy type. How would you describe that?
No, it's a coarse.
Yeah, it's like a coarse, like fiberglassy type thing.
It's not fiberglass though.
Yeah, it's not. No, this would suck if it was fiberglass. That kind of holds it in place. So I figured that was the best bet, and they're actually a little bit cheaper than WeatherTech's and the Husky liners. So as you guys can see, the floor mats of the truck are 13 years old, and I have used them for a very long time. So I want to get something that's kind of a little bit nicer that isn't completely worn out. I mean, in general, the truck really isn't that bad, but I wanted something a little bit better. So this whole video is kind of go over how they fit and how I like them and whatnot. So yeah, I guess we'll put them inside. So this section here, I believe they only sell them for the 08 or 09 and newer Titans. That'll have the center console that comes out to here. So I knew this was going to be empty when I bought this, but at some point I might switch to a newer interior, so I ordered this one. So as you can see, it fits flush, and if you put the seat down, see how it kind of ends here? So most of the floor mats ended there, so that leaves that entire thing unprotected. So I wanted this little strip because most of the time I run it like this, and I set stuff here. So yeah, that fits pretty well. It's got even the little side things that go underneath the seat and protect that area. I'm pretty happy with them. I guess we'll see how the fronts fit. I guess the newer trucks have a thing here. Yeah, those fit pretty good. So it looks like
Those don't match up.
yeah, it looks like these actually don't match up. I wonder if I can actually take that out. Besides that, it matches up pretty decently. But of course these are for the newer Titan, so this thing is over here for those. But I wonder if I can actually take that off. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Yep. Oh, that's easy. Yeah, it holds in a little clip and then it wedges it out. But yeah, it fits in there pretty good. Matches the bump. Pretty decent fit. Pretty good. I approve. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. I'll go ahead and link the floor mats down below if you guys want to check that out. We're not sponsored or anything, but if you guys want to sponsor us, I've got another car that we could do. So yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.